Hello learners, in this video we will learn and explore strings with Neo4j where class and different action we will perform in this video, like we will search name or person name based on their starting word like James, and search persons based on their name ends with, and also we will search data based on contain actions of string. So let's get started. First of all we will use uh, start with match person, okay, and where person name starts with James, okay, and return person name and person name only. And now change this query to ends with, and with this Marshall. So at the place of this, change this to Marshall. Remove this extra x and change this to and with, okay, and search. Now you will get this, okay. Now check now find movies with taglines, and taglines have a love word in their tagline. So let's do that. Movie, okay, where first you will check love word exist in taglines or not. For that, movie return m dot tagline, okay. First we will check love word is exist in any of the tagline or not. So here this is one, this is second, and okay, now we know we have some data with tagline, and tagline have a love keyword. So at the place of this use where exists. First we are going to check movie have what tagline property or not, okay. After that we will check and m dot tagline contains love keyword. If both conditions are met, then we need to return tagline and title of the movie. Let's run this. Now you are able to see the result based on our query. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you very much.